Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye. If you are new here, welcome. I invite you to become an established friend of mine by hitting that good old subscribe button. And if you are already a friend of mine, aka a subscriber, I just want to say, hey boo. So this video I'm actually extremely excited about, and it is my rice water experiment, I should say. And a little bit of the backstory. Rice water for the hair treatments have been around for a very long time, but it became more mainstream in the natural hair community when Jess Hilarious went to the Breakfast Club and she talked about growing her hair out using rice water. I previously did a video explaining all the benefits of rice water and why it works in theory on my channel, and I will leave the link down below if you want to know the backstory, vitamins and nutrients for your scalp and follicles. If you care about that, look at that video. If you just want to see if it worked, watch this one. Now, I usually like to start my videos with a random facts about me. Today's fact is hold it up. I love soul food, but I find it to taste the best when it's got a little bit of an Asian influence. Okay, so I like to make greens and macaroni, and I put them in egg roll wrappers, dipping them in a little bit of grease so the wrapper gets crunchy. And me and my husband like to eat them like that because we both love soul food, we both love Asian. Put a soul food egg roll in front of me and we will demolish it. So if you ever want to try a different flair to your greens and stuff, do that. Wrap it in egg roll paper. Okay, so let's get into this experiment. This experiment, I didn't use just regular rice water. I spiked it. Number one, because rice water that has been fermented stinks. Number two, to get the added benefit of the peppermint oil. So to show you how to properly do this recipe, I am going to show you right here what I did.
The next morning.
So this is day 2, the second application, and this time around I put peppermint essential oil in there. I put 5 drops. When I say this is the most soothing feeling on my scalp, it feels like if you've ever had a peppermint in your mouth at church and you went to the water fountain, you know that feeling of that's what's going on my scalp right now. So yeah, we're gonna ride this out with the peppermint oil. And that is how I made my rice water, my spiked rice water, my extreme rice water. So 2 weeks ago today, I straightened my hair so that I can clip my ends. I talked about it in my video about a flop of a haircut that I have. She basically just wanted to butcher my hair off. So I had to come home, clip the rest of my ends, right? Okay, so at the end of the video, I showed you my length after it was straightened and the dead ends were cut off. And I will insert a clip of that right here. And this is my current lip. I'm not doing any neck tricks or anything like that, so hopefully. So tomorrow I am having my engagement photo shoot with my husband. If you're new here, he and I eloped, but we're still going through the process of having a traditional wedding and everything like that. We talked about that in a bunch of other videos. I ain't gonna cover it here. But we're having our engagement photo shoot. And when he saw my hair straightened 2 weeks ago, he was like, hey, you gonna wear your hair like that for the photo shoot? That was him dropping a hint of, I like your hair like that. So I went and got my hair straightened today, and so that was my inspiration, that I would be able to see without me pulling down and stretching a curl. I would accurately be able to see the difference in my hair. So that was my hair 2 weeks ago. Did the extreme rice water work? Did I experience growth within 2 weeks? If I did not explain this already, I will say it again. The spiked rice water that I used, I applied it twice a day every day for 2 weeks. There were 2 days that I applied it only once, but no matter what, every day for 2 weeks I put rice water on my scalp. I did not focus on the ends of my hair because that's a conditioning treatment that would have to be rinsed out. I didn't want to do that. I only focused on my scalp. So did my hair grow within 2 weeks? I'll let you see, but let me first change my shirt because this shirt is black and I don't want there to be any confusion. Hold please. Okay, so you should be able to see my hair really good on this. I'm gonna show you my hair right now, and then I'm going to do a side by side. I still have not even looked at this, so I don't know if it really grew or if it was a placebo effect. But yeah, let me go ahead and do it. For the record, I'm not gonna do any neck tricks. Okay. Head up straight. So right here, I'm gonna stop the video to actually see for myself to see if my hair really grew. I just looked. Now, so keep in mind, whether you apply rice water or not, your hair will grow at least a ½ inch every month. That's about what is normal. But considering most people get a ½ inch every month, and for my hair to go from that to that in 2 weeks, I'm impressed. So I'll let you be the decider on if you feel like my hair grew. But I do want to put the disclaimer, when I did the side-by-side photo, I made sure my head was aligned the same on each picture, and that my shoulder was aligned the same on each picture, so you could actually see the actual growth. So again, I use rice water every day, twice a day for 13 days. I didn't make it to 14 because today would have been a 14th and I had to go get my hair done. So every day, twice a day for 2 weeks. With the rice water, I fermented it and I added peppermint and lavender. First it was just peppermint, but then I also added lavender essential oil and I applied it to my head. I wish I had taken the time to massage it in, but I really didn't. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. This was fun, but I don't want to do any other experiments for a while. I normally use my own growth oil. That's how I've been able to achieve this length that I've been able to hit, only because it's more convenient. Oil is more convenient than a wet head. So will I continue with rice water? Maybe once a week, but during the week I'm going to continue to use my growth oil because I've had really excellent results with that. If you're interested in it, check out the link in the bio. Shameless plug, of course, because I mean it's my channel. Hey, but even if you don't, I still love you, child. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you do this experiment, meaning fermented rice water with lavender and peppermint, comment and let me know how it goes for you. Or if you make a video, tag me or in some way let me know, and I want to see how it goes. So I'm excited, and yeah, that's it. You know how naturals be when they first get their hair done, be like, stiff wear. Okay, that's enough YouTube for me. I gotta go eat. Bye. Oh, keto update coming soon. The 27th will be 1 month and I'm gonna record an update on my weight loss. Okay.